Hello, my students. I'm teacher Farah from Taqarib International School. Today we are going to talk about a new grammar, which is the comparative. So, what's the meaning of comparative? Comparative means that when I want to compare between two things or two people, when I want to compare between two things or two people. First of all, you need to know that when I want to make comparative sentence, we use adjectives to compare between two things. Okay, for example, we use small, tall, short, big, like these adjectives. So let's go to the form of the comparative sentence. So how can I form the comparative sentence? Firstly, you need to recognize that we have two types of adjectives. We have two types of adjectives. We have the short adjectives and the long adjectives. How can I decide that this adjective is short and this adjective is long? By the syllables of the adjective itself. If it's one, so it's short. If it's more, so it's long. For example, tall. Tall. It's one syllable, so it's a short adjective. Beautiful. The word beautiful. It's more than one syllable, so it's long adjective. Now, how can I form the comparative sentence using the short adjective? Firstly, we need to we add er to the short adjective. For example, small. The adjective small, we added er to become what? To become smaller. Smaller. So how can I form it? By putting the first noun at the beginning of the sentence, and then I use the verb to be and the adjective, then we add then we put the second noun. For example, we can say that Ahmed is smaller than Khalid. Ahmed is smaller than Khalid. This is a comparative sentence. I compare between Ahmed and Khalid, and I use the adjective small. And when I want to compare between two things or two people, I add er to the short adjective. Okay. What about the long adjective? How can I form the comparative sentence using the long adjective? By adding more than. We use more than to compare between two things or people using the long adjective. For example, this worksheet or this paper is more beautiful than this paper. It's an example about how can I use the comparative using the long adjective. Or for example, lion is more dangerous than the squirrel. Lion is more dangerous than squirrel. Okay, this is with regard to the comparative sentence.